Hello everyone, welcome to Indian Money's YouTube channel. I'm Natalia. Your personal loan got approved, but don't let your guard down just yet. You need to be very responsible when it comes to repaying all your EMI payments on time. Delayed repayments can have a lot of consequences, so you need to make sure that you make your repayments on time. So, if you want to make repayments on time but you just don't know how, then this video is just for you. In this video, I'm going to share 4 powerful tips that can help you manage your personal loan EMIs. Tip number 1. Prepare a monthly budget. Budgeting is everything. If you are looking for financial independence, then you have to start with budgeting. So you need to see how much income you're getting and how much you're spending for essentials and any other things, and then calculate a budget. Put a budget and stick to it so that you don't end up overspending. Not just that, when you have a budget, you will know how much money you're spending where and how much money you waste and how much surplus money you have. And when you know how much surplus money you have, you can pay that surplus money and pay off all your EMI payments. Not just that, when you put a budget, you will know where you're spending unnecessarily. So you can take that money which you spend unnecessarily and pay off all your EMI payments. And after you put up a budget, if you feel that you don't have enough money, you can definitely look into passive income jobs or side hustle jobs and make some extra income to make your ends meet. So the first step towards financial independence is budgeting. And there are a lot of budgeting techniques. I've also made a video on the techniques of budgeting, so do go and check that out and start budgeting right now. Tip number 2. Set regular reminders for your EMI payments. I get it, we are all busy, but we need to make sure that we pay the EMI payments on time. So to avoid the late payment charge or any other penalties, we have to make a payment on time. So you will know your EMI due date. So make sure that you set a reminder 2-3 days before that due date so that you will be reminded about this payment. And there's another option. You can also opt for the auto debit option from your bank account to repay all your EMI payments. This way you don't have to worry about paying your EMIs by yourself manually. It will be automatically done from your bank account. But opt for this option only when you're sure that you have enough money. Because in case you don't have enough money and you have money only for your essentials and it gets auto-debited, then that will be a big problem. So make sure you know what your budget is and make sure you have some surplus cash and then go for the auto-debit option. Tip number 3. Restructure or consolidate your loan. If you are a person who has a lot of loans and you're just confused on which loan to pay and how much to pay and all that, what you can do is consolidate all that loan into a single loan. You can do that by taking one big personal loan and close off all the small loans so that you will be paying only for that one personal loan which has a low interest rate. Or the other thing you can do is restructure it. For example, if you have taken a loan, you can talk to your lender and extend the tenure so that your EMI amounts will be smaller and very easier for you to repay them back. So you can definitely use these 2 options to consolidate your loan into one single loan or extend the tenure so that you have to pay smaller EMIs. Now this will give you less burden. Tip number 4. Explore ways to prepay your loan. When you think that you have to keep paying that loan for a number of years, it might be very stressful. But if you suddenly get a bonus or you get some gift cash from your friends or relatives or family, then you can definitely pay that amount and close up your loans. Certain lenders do provide the foreclosure option. And if you're planning to prepay your loans before the tenure ends, make sure you look out for the penalty charges. Because sometimes when you try to pre-close or prepay a loan amount, there will be some sort of penalty charges associated with it. So do look out for that. Another way you can prepay your loan and end up paying the loan in less amount of time rather than going for a long number of years is paying a higher EMI amount. So you can talk to your lender and ask them to increase your EMI amount so that you can finish paying a loan, which is 12 years loan, in just 6 months. You can also do that. So there are numerous options available if you want to repay your loan. So check out all the options, do a research, see which one works for you and stick to that. And that is all for today's video. If you like this video and if you want to learn more about personal finance or career building courses or business and farming courses in 6 different languages, then click the link in the description box below and download the Financial Freedom app and start your journey towards becoming rich. And don't forget to use my code NAT. If you use this code, you'll be getting 2,000 rupees worth scholarship absolutely free. And if you like this video, then hit the like button. If you're new to the channel, then hit the subscribe button. And don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you'll be notified when we post a new video. I am Natalia and I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching IndianMoney.com.